People always ask me how I color grade my videos. And here is a tutorial on how to color grade your video in HitPaw Edimakor. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I color grade my videos step by step. And you will see the difference between before and after. If you like the way my colors look, you can click the link in the description and download HitPaw Edimakor. Okay, let's begin. First, drag the video you want to color grade to the timeline. After you drag it to the timeline, you can see there are many options in the top right panel. Here are all the adjustments you can make to your video. Under Color, you can color grade your video by adjusting its brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpening, shadow, highlight, temperature, and tone. Let's start with brightness. By adjusting the brightness, you can make the image/video appear brighter or darker. I think this video is bright already, so I just set the brightness to 5. And that's enough. The next is contrast. In color grading, contrast refers to the difference between the light and dark areas of your video. Adjusting the contrast can make colors appear more vivid and defined. I think this video is a little bit dark, so I'll set it to about 50. And the next is saturation. Adjusting the saturation can make colors appear more vibrant and vivid, or more muted and desaturated. In this video, I want it to be more colorful and more vivid. So, I'm gonna set the saturation to 10. That will add some color to it. But not every video can use the same amount. So, it would help if you made a little adjustment yourself. Okay, let's jump to sharpen. In color grading, sharpen increases the contrast between adjacent pixels, making edges appear more defined and details more pronounced. If you think the picture or video is a little bit blurry, you can increase the value of sharpen. Here you can see this video is very blurry, so I'm gonna set it to 60. You can see it improves the clarity a lot. And under that is the highlight. The highlight adjustment in color grading allows you to manipulate the brightness and intensity of the brightest parts of an image or video. By adjusting that, you can increase or decrease the brightness of highlights. In this video, I think it's too bright, so I set the value of the highlight to -20. Okay, the last two. You can see they look a lot different than the others. Temperature and tint are important factors in color grading that help to adjust the overall color balance of an image or video. You don't need to know how they work exactly. You can easily change their value to see which one you like. Okay, that's how you color grade your videos. If you like this video, please follow me to learn more about editing skills. See you in the next video.